Hey guys, and welcome to the final chapter of our step-by-step drop to Kibana discovering tutorial. Let us introduce you the dashboard menu. Remember we saved two visualizations in the previous video, one pie and one geolocation. We could add the saved viz into an existing dashboard, but let's click on Create New Dashboard. This one is empty. Let's fill it by clicking the Add button. I have to get my saved visualizations. Okay, here's one, and the other. See, the most important thing is to be organized. The more you are organized, the more you'll be efficient. Okay, let's try that. Okay, found it. Please, be more organized than I am. Okay, we have a dashboard now. But what's so cool about it, you would say? Have you noticed that the filters and timetable sections are still here? Let's add a filter then. Victor Hugo, for instance. Et voilà! We now have an updated dashboard showing the status of the Velib stations called Victor Hugo. Let's save that. We could erase the filters and play with the timeline. Dashboard is still updating rapidly. The option button of every graphic allows you to customize it again. You can also add filters with your file fields and queries with formulas, etc. It is hugely powerful. Possibilities are infinite. Let us show you what you can achieve when you get to master the interface and have a larger file. Let's open this dashboard. This file is an inventory of company creation in France. 161,284 entries. We have compiled several graphics to get all the information we needed. You can get every information you want by scrolling into your dashboard, add new graphics, let the mouse steal to get the data infos appear, etc., etc. You still can add filters and queries. Let's say we want to know how much companies with fraud in its name have been created since January the 1st of 2017 in France. 390. Dashboard is literally enlightening what data deliver. The type of enterprises, in what region, where exactly in France, in what months they were most created, the most used denominations, what court registered creation, and we have chosen another geolocation graphic zoomed in Paris, even if we can see in the bigger map that enterprises with prod in their denomination are more numerous in Marseille. Let's check with Octave. 20 records. We are among them. In order to find us, we can refine the analysis by maybe clicking on the enterprise type. See? We have 3 entries now. As we are near Le Havre in France, we can say that we are here, guys. We hope this video made you understand why we believe our solution is going to change the way you make your data discovery and analytics, and why it is so important for you to get this opportunity to improve your efficiency. We made this to open the data doors to everyone. Welcome to OCTAVEIO, guys.